Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your Western Union payment either if you're a sender or a receiver. So let's begin the video. So I'm going to be tracking the payment on my PC. You can do the same process on your smartphones as well. So the first thing that you need to do is to open any browser, and here you need to type Western Union payment tracking. So the first website will be www.westernunion.com. Open this website. I will put this website link in the video description as well. Here on the search bar you can see we have this little lock icon. If I press on the lock icon, you can see that connection is secure. So in this way you know that you are on the official Western Union website and not on a spam website. So if you are a receiver, just press on I am a receiver, and you need to type your MTCN number, which is of 10 digits. So if you are a receiver, then whoever is sending you money, you can ask them for the MTCN number. After typing the correct MTCN number, I'm going to press on continue, and it's going to process it. And here you can see that it's showing me the details. So you can see the payment has been sent, and after that it has gone through the progress, and now it is available. So it means that I can go to any Western Union agent and pick up my payment. The money transfer is ready for pickup. Receiver should bring the tracking number and government issued ID to pick up the money. So these are the two things that are required to pick up the money. Now if you're a sender, you're going to type the same MTCN number and press on continue. And here you can see it says available, the money transfer is ready for pickup, receiver should bring the tracking number. So guys, in this way you can see that both the sender and receiver can see the status of their payment. So guys, in this way you can track your Western Union payment and know the right time when to go to the Western Union agent and to pick up your payment, so that you don't have to go and come back. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.